Hi all you art lovers out there, how you doing today? I think we're going to use some kind of Easter colors. Red, yellow, light green, purple, pink, orange. I haven't really decided yet if I'm going to just do a flip cup, or if I'm going to try to do a tree ring. I haven't decided yet, but let's put the paint in the cups. And the paints we're using today are Deco Art Americana craft paints. That's the orange, pink, purple, turquoise, and this is a sour apple. And then the yellow and the red are Artist Loft Flow Acrylics. This kind of like orange in the monitor, so, but it's red, believe me. And I mix them to 1 and 1, or kind of, I don't know if you could see that. And these here are a little thinner. And we might even throw a red metallic in the mixture just to mix it up, see what it does. So let's get started. I also got my white with my Floetrol, which is also mixed half and half. Excuse me. And my basic mixture is 5 ounces of glue all, 1 ounce Floetrol, and a ½ ounce of Flow Improver. But cover the bottom of that up. Let's try a little red. And go with green. Sour apple, what a name, huh? Throw a little turquoise on top of that. This is a blue on the blue side. A little pink. Go with a little orange. We'll end up with purple. There's no silicone in any of these paints. See that mixture? Kind of. Put some more red in. Sour apple. Yellow. Turquoise on the blue side. Oh, top of the yellow, that's going to make it green. Pink. Orange. And purple. Guess I didn't think that very through, did I? You see that kind of mixture? Pretty cool, huh? This is a 12 by 12 canvas, which I've already put my base coat down. Try a little more red. Green. This might be a little much for this. Yeah, that's alright. Don't use it all. We'll put some saran wrap around it, rubber band. Use it for the next one. Alright, I'm going to clean this mess up a little bit. Get a couple of big gulps of water. Hopefully it'll stop my coughing fit. And we'll be back in a minute. Alrighty, art lovers, we're back. You ready? I think what I'm going to do is just flip this thing and then we'll go from there. And hopefully, yeah, it's a little more paint than I need, but I'll see if I can flip this thing without, you know what? I'm not going to chance it. Let's do one of these numbers. Well, it's not quite in the center, but oh well. That sit a little bit, let the paint run down from the top. This is level, total level on it. I've got coffee hooks, you know, and got them twisted so it's all level. So. Alright, should we see what's going on? Let's go. Ooh, they're already getting cells, and I said there's no silicone in here. So. Looks pretty cool. Look at that little flower right there. A couple of flowers. Alright. Get that off the side. Let this sit for a little bit. Actually, let's give it a torch. Got some air bubbles. Yeah. That's looking pretty cool, I think. Orange, green. I'm liking that. I don't like that I pulled all my cells off. You go bubble. Yeah, just some bubbles. Just some bubbles. Let's pop the bubbles. Well, art lovers, what do you think? Kind of looks like water. Like kind of like what an oil spill would look like, but see if I can tilt it and get some more of this back. Might not be able to. I need pink. Where's pink? There it is. Yeah, it's not really pink, but I got some stuff popping up now. Got some of that yellow popping up from underneath. There we go. Now you're getting some red popping up over here. This is not good to do. I mean, gosh, should go over really quick, just enough to pop the bubbles and stuff. But I'm probably a good 10 inches off the canvas. Whoa. About out of gas on that. That is cool. This really turned out a little better than bring it up. See all those little yellow cells popping up? And then the red come out of that corner there, out of that turquoise. I like that. Well, art lovers, put down in the comments what you think of this pour. While you're there, go ahead and hit that little red button over here and this one of these corners, and hit that notification bell so you know when I'm uploading new videos, and leave comments. Please share, like. Have any questions for me? Leave them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Yes, after you're happy with what you've got, your pour, make sure you clean the bottom edge, because as it drips, it's going to continue pulling paint. And if you like it the way it is, clear off those bottom edges, and that will keep the paint from flowing. You might have to do it more than once. I have in the past. Excuse my arm. Alrighty. Till next time, get out there and paint something.